Hi everybody, it's Julie Ebersol for EllenHutson.com, and I'm here with some tips for two-step stamping featuring the Wasabi stamp set. You can certainly stamp all the outline images on their own using individual acrylic blocks and then coloring those images in with the preferred coloring medium, or you can use the coordinating solid filler images that are designed to go with these outline images. They're imperfect, they're designed to be offset, so you don't have to worry about precision accuracy, and it's very easy to do using acrylic blocks. But you can also use the MISTI stamp positioning tool. The first thing I'm going to do is take all of the outline images and load those onto the lid of the MISTI, and I've taken a piece of Neenah Solar White, this is a quarter sheet, and I've loaded it into the platform there, and all of those outline images are going to fit onto that piece of white cardstock. I'll be inking up with some black ink and go ahead and impress that onto the quarter sheet, and I can repeat this process just swapping in another piece of cardstock until I have a stack of quarter sheets that have all the outline images stamped onto them. Once I'm ready to add some color, I'm going to grab the coordinating solid filler images for these outline images and lay them over the top and close the lid so that they're positioned in the right spot. And because all of these images are going to be inked up with the same color, I'm going to go ahead and stamp them all at the same time, and then I'll swap out the cardstock sheets to get all of the rest of the images filled in with that same color. I'll clean those off and remove them, and I'll grab the next solid filler images and go ahead and ink all of those up that I want in the same color, and repeat this process over and over again until I have all of my quarter sheets filled with color. Once all my images are filled with color, I am ready to take them over to my die cutting machine with the coordinating dies and get them all cut out, and I have a pile of images that are ready to go for a card making session. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.